Have you ever thought of earning while playing a game? If yes, then welcome to the world of Pankito, a realm where fun meets fortune. Pankito is not just a game, but a thrilling expedition into a universe where your efforts are rewarded with the elusive Gemkito, a currency brimming with untold potential. Crafted for simplicity and accessibility, Pankito opens its doors to explorers of all ages. Navigate through captivating landscapes, mine valuable Gemkito, and engage with a community of fellow adventurers. Experience the excitement of extracting Gemkito across 3 unique levels, each with its own set of challenges and compensations. Whether you're a gaming veteran or a novice, you'll find Pankito's gameplay instinctive, engaging, and most importantly, rewarding. With an array of tools and characters at your disposal, your mining strategy can be as unique as you are. Pankito's play-to-earn principle sets it apart. Available on desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, Pankito is just a few clicks away. Play from anywhere, at any time, without any special hardware or software. So, now that you've had a taste of what Pankito is all about, let's dive deeper into the gameplay. Embarking on an adventure in Pankito is no ordinary task. It's an exciting journey filled with challenges and rewards. Within the world of Pankito, 3 distinct levels await, each with its unique set of challenges. Whether you're navigating the treacherous caves of the lower depths or braving the turbulent winds of the upper heights, you're bound to find a level that matches your skill and ambition. But it's not just about overcoming obstacles, it's also about the thrill of mining Gemkito, the in-game currency that's waiting to be discovered. To aid you on your quest, Pankito offers a variety of tools and characters. Choose from a selection of mining tools, each with its unique capabilities, to unearth Gemkito in the most efficient way possible. The characters you choose to play as, each with their unique abilities, can significantly impact your mining strategy, making each playthrough a unique experience. The thrill of mining Gemkito is not just about the chase, it's also about the reward at the end. The more Gemkito you mine, the more value you create. And in Pankito, that value translates to real-world potential. As you delve deeper into the game, you'll discover new strategies, unlock new characters and tools, and unearth more Gemkito. Every gameplay becomes a journey of discovery, a testament to your skill and perseverance. With Pankito, every gameplay is a unique experience, a new adventure waiting to unfold. But Pankito isn't just about the thrill of the game, it's also about the potential to earn real-world value. Imagine a world where your gaming skills and strategies can translate into tangible rewards. That's precisely what Pankito offers. Each Gemkito, the in-game currency, holds a value that can be translated to real-world money. As you navigate through the diverse landscapes and challenges, mining for Gemkito, you're not just collecting pixels on a screen, you're accumulating a currency with a real-world counterpart. What's more, the potential for earnings doesn't stop there. As the Pankito community continues to grow, so does the demand for Gemkito. This increasing demand could potentially drive up the currency's value, leading to even greater earnings for dedicated players. The best part is that the amount you earn is directly proportional to your efforts. The more you play, the more you mine, and the more you earn. So with Pankito, you're not just playing, you're earning, and the possibilities are endless. Ready to embark on an adventure while reaping the rewards that come with it? Pankito is waiting. Experience the thrill of mining Gemkito, the satisfaction of overcoming challenges, and the joy of earning while playing. This is not just a game, it's a journey, a community, an opportunity, so why wait? Dive into the captivating world of Pankito and turn every moment into a rewarding adventure. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, in the world of Pankito, adventure meets opportunity.